Have you ever walked into a room that felt heavy or stagnant, reached for a store-bought aerosol room spray, and instantly regretted it because of that artificial chemical fog that hangs in the air? Traditional synthetic plugins and room fresheners don't actually clean your air. They just coat your nasal passages with chemical masking agents that trigger afternoon sluggishness. You shouldn't have to choose between a stale-free house and a synthetic perfume fog. Welcome back. Today we are blending a beautiful, authentic, atmospheric reset for your home that we call the Clearing Diffuser blend. Think of this recipe as the ultimate reset button for a slow afternoon. It perfectly replicates that specific crisp moment after a late summer rain shower when the heavy humidity breaks and the air suddenly feels brand new. Instead of just covering up old air, it clears away mental fog and sets a steady, balanced tone for your workspace. To understand why this works, we have to look at the science of these plants. We are layering lemon eucalyptus and lime, which are naturally packed with compounds like limonene and citronella. They act like a crisp botanical wave of ozone that purifies the air profile. But to keep that blend from feeling too sharp or lightweight, we ground it with the sophisticated warming earthiness of liquid luck and add a soft nostalgic afterglow of clove and nutmeg using our pumpkin spice blend. This sweet and spicy contrast stimulates the brain while keeping your environment feeling settled. The no stress process is easy. If you're doing a single session, fill your diffuser with water and add 4 drops of liquid luck, 3 drops of lemon eucalyptus, 2 drops of lime, and 2 drops of pumpkin spice. But today, let's create a master blend so you have it ready on your counter. Grab an empty 5mm glass bottle. We are going to count out 36 drops of liquid luck, 27 drops of lemon eucalyptus, 18 drops of lime, and 18 drops of pumpkin spice. Once your oils are inside, twist the cap on tightly and give it a gentle swirl for about 30 seconds. This lets those different scent weights interlock and mature. Pop on your printed label and you're set. Now whenever the afternoon dip hits, just drop 3 to 5 drops of this master blend into your water. Having this master bottle right by your diffuser completely streamlines your routine. The Simply Earth box provides 100% pure essential oils and custom stickers so you can transform the air profile of your entire home with zero stress or guesswork. As that cool aromatic mist spreads, the room instantly transforms. The crispness of the eucalyptus completely cuts through the heavy air, while the spice blend brings a beautiful, comforting warmth. It's light, clean, and perfectly balanced. Once you have your diffuser running or your master blend mixed up, take a quick video or picture and share it to our Facebook group with the hashtag #IMadeThis for a chance to win. Every month we give away a $100 gift card to a member of our community. See you in the next video.